Halo guys, namaste, peref, ndiepi, sanbonani, tumilang, huyamor, bonjour, ni hao. Anyway, we have a Dell laptop. I bought this laptop from someone, one of my clients. So he gave it to me. So guys, there's a problem with a dim display on this machine. Let me show you. You can see a Dell logo, but it's down in the background. Okay. Put it back. Let's connect the charger. Okay, there we go. The charger has been connected. So I want you to observe this. When I press the power button, the charging light comes up, and nothing on the screen. Okay, there we go. Okay, wait. You will see something. Okay, there we go. There is a Dell logo down there, but you can't see it because there's a problem with the backlights. This is called a dim display. So what you can do is, instead of buying a new screen, you can fix the existing screen. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you just now. So what do we need? Okay, first of all, let's check the screen. I have a donor port. First thing first, we need to check the screen. I want to show you everything. Just observe under the microscope. So what you do is, normally you start here. This is an LVDS connector. You check, you observe the LVDS connector, and I don't see anything. And next to an LVDS connector, this is where you will have the 19 volts. Okay guys, let's continue. So what you do is, you put one probe to ground. Let me show you how. This is ground. This top part here is ground. You can put your probe, your multimeter probe there, and the other one, you touch it there, and there is no short. Make sure your multimeter is on the continuity mode, and on this fuse, this is where you will have the 19 volts, and there is no short. And you should have the 19 volts here on the other side, on both sides here, and then on the other side. And here there is no short. So what else do we do? We need to check for continuity. All right, the multimeter is beeping. The fuse is fine. So we check those caps for shorts, and there is no shorts. You move on, you observe, check the speed caps. Okay, no shorts. Let's move on. Let's go on the section where the 19 volts is converted into a higher voltage for okay, there we go. They even gave you a test point. When you check here, you will have like 60 something volts. And check for short first. You put one probe to ground and you check. There's no short. Let's check for continuity. And there's no continuity here. And this is our problem. We need to remove this fuse. Alright guys, this is the bad guy. So we have to remove this guy here. We have to remove this guy. And this is the bad guy. Please, you have to be very careful, because you can end up burning the screen. So please be very careful. Okay, now I have a replacement one. Okay, now let's check for a continuity. All right, this is working fine. Okay, now let's see. Okay, guys, we still have a backlight issue. I don't know why. Okay, let's see. Okay, the thing bends. Yeah. Why? All right, guys, it's bent the fuse again. I don't know why. Keeps on bending the fuse. It probably means there's a short somewhere. Let me look for another fuse. Do I have another fuse? All right, guys, it's now working. Anyway, you saw it took me so long, but it's now fine after changing that fuse again with a 0 ohms resistor. The machine started to work again. Anyway, I'll see you. Bye bye, and don't forget, don't buy a new screen. You can fix your existing screen